Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, we have learned what is relative atomic mass. I also discussed why we choose carbon-12 as a standard for relating masses of other atoms. I also explained how one unit of carbon-12 is used for relating it with masses of other atoms. At the end, I also gave you a simple concept of atomic mass unit or AMU. Let's move toward the scientific definition of relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is the mass of an atom of an element as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon taken as 12. Let's understand it. As I discussed in detail in the previous video, that scientists considered following these things for selecting carbon-12 as a standard unit. Number 1 is its abundance, which is 98.93%. Number 2 is its reactivity, as it is either inert nor it is too reactive. Number 3 is at that time it has no isotopes, so they prefer carbon-12 as a standard unit. Now it has isotopes, but as their relative abundance is very small, so still carbon-12 is the best choice as a standard. And the last thing is it is a solid in nature, so it is easy to handle carbon-12 while using a standard. I also discussed that they divide carbon-12 atom in 12 equal parts and consider each part as a standard unit. And by using this standard unit, they start comparing masses of other elements. As you can see that the mass of one nitrogen atom is equal to 14 carbon units and is called relative atomic mass of nitrogen because it compared with mass of standard unit of carbon-12. As you can also see that the mass of one oxygen atom is equal to 16 carbon units and is called relative atomic mass of oxygen because it compared with mass of standard unit of carbon-12. Similarly, the mass of one sodium atom is equal to 23 carbon units and is called relative atomic mass of sodium because it compared with the mass of standard unit of carbon-12. So we can say that the mass of each element is its relative mass when it find out by relating it with a standard unit such that carbon-12 atom. If we talk about unit for expressing relative atomic mass, then it will be atomic mass unit. What is atomic mass unit AMU? We have learned that the mass of a single carbon atom is equal to its 12 units. You can say that we divide mass of a single carbon in 12 equal parts. Now if we take only one part of carbon out of its 12 units, we call this stage unit of carbon as one atomic mass unit or 1 AMU. As we see, the mass of single atom of nitrogen is equal to 14 units of carbon. Now we can say that the mass of single atom of nitrogen is 14 AMU. Similarly, the mass of single atom of sodium is equal to 23 units of carbon. Now we can easily say that the mass of single atom of sodium is 23 AMU. Similarly, the mass of single atom of oxygen is equal to 16 units of carbon. Now we can say that the mass of single atom of oxygen is 16 AMU. Always remember, atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom. So relative atomic mass is the mass of an atom of an element as compared to the mass of an atom of carbon taken as 12. Let's find how we convert mass of element in AMU. we can say that mass of a single atom is equal to AMU. So mass of carbon 12 atom is equal to 12 AMU. From here we get the equation. 1 AMU is equal to mass of carbon 12 atom over 12. As we know that atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 gram per mole. It means 1 mole of carbon atom has mass 12 gram. And we also learned that in 1 mole there are 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms. So we can say that of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of carbon has mass 12 gram. To get mass of single atom of carbon, divide 12, which is the mass of 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 atoms of carbon, by 6.022 into 10 raised power 23. And we know that the number 6.022 into 10 raised power 23 is called Avogadro's number. Put the mass of single atom of carbon 12 in equation A. So we get this equation where 1 AMU is equal to 1 by Na gram. When we divide 1 by Na, we get 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24 gram. In simple words, we can say that 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24 gram. After getting this relation, we can convert gram into AMU. To find out mass of any atom in AMU, just use this relation. AMU is equal to mass of single atom in gram and divided by reference. What is the reference? The reference is 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24 gram per AMU. This is same as we say that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and so on. Examples: mass of hydrogen atom found experimentally is 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 24 gram. To find out mass of hydrogen atom in AMU, divide 1.67 into 10 raised power minus 24 gram by 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24. Mass of hydrogen atom in AMU is 1.00. Similarly, mass of oxygen atom found experimentally is 2.65 into 10 raised power minus 24 gram. To find mass of oxygen atom in AMU, divide 2.656 into 10 raised power minus 23 gram by 1.66 into 10 raised power minus 24. Mass of oxygen atom in AMU is 15.99 AMU. By using this formula, we can find the mass of every element in AMU. This is all about relative atomic mass and AMU. Hope this video will helpful for you. To get more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, Allah Hafiz and thank you.